welcome back to my channel. This video is of our bike ride that we did around Seoul. It was a beautiful Sunday morning and the air quality was average. It was kind of okay. It was like in the 90s. And we decided to go on a bike ride around the river in a big loop. This is the route that we took. Also on this bike ride, I took my DJI camera and tried out some more angles and tried to get a little better at filming with it. It can be a challenge to film while riding on my bike, especially with my gloves. So I'm really excited for some warmer weather and for the air quality to hopefully improve in the next few weeks. Cycling in Korea is so amazing. The roads are so clean. It's really easy to get around. The city is built for cyclists. I'm getting so excited for good weather and more bike dates in my future.